Republika ng Pilipinas, Attorney Liza Araneta Marcos.
My husband wants to extend his warmest greetings to all of you. Love na love niya yung Las Piñas. Alam naman ninyo yan. Okay, we have 1,000 registered patients who will receive medical services plus grocery bags, plus medical kits, rice. These are small things lang, but everything starts small, right? And thankfully, because of our private partners, we were able to make it a success. When we started this 2 years ago, siguro 5 lang kami. Ngayon, ang dami-dami nang sumunod dito. So I want to thank all the private and public partners for being here today and helping bring services closer to the people.
These interventions can change lives para po sa walang pambili ng gamot, sa mga hindi makapunta sa ospital, at sa mga nangangailangan ng atensyong medikal. Napakahalaga ng pagkakataong ito. Lab for All, laboratorio, konsulta at gamot para sa lahat is a project that brings government closer to where it matters most, sa puso ng bawat Pilipino. On behalf of the people of Las Piñas, I would like to thank the entire Lab for All team and all our partner agencies. From our hardworking doctors, nurses, medical volunteers, and the national government agencies who have contributed their services. What you've brought today is more than just healthcare. It is hope, compassion, and real service to the people.